Dead Sea Scroll mentioning Yahusha. Here are key Dead Sea Scroll fragments mentioning Yahusha. 4Q 246, son of Alua, fragments, circa 100 to 50 BCE, possibly referencing Yahusha. 4Q 521, Messiah text, circa 100 to 50 BCE, mentioning a figure with divine authority. 4Q 544, apocryphal versions of Amram, circa 100 to 50 BCE, containing Yahusha-like figure. Apocryphal works, 4Q 225 to 227, Pseudo-Jubilee, circa 100 to 50 BCE, referencing a messianic figure. 1Q28b, Roll of the Congregation, circa 100 to 50 BCE, mentioning messianic leader. Biblical parallel, 4Q17, Exodus text, circa 150 to 100 BCE, containing Yahusha like salvation themes. 4Q44, Deuteronomy text, circa 150 to 100 BCE, referencing divine redemption. Controversial fragments. 7Q5, disputed fragment possibly mentioning Yahusha, circa 50 to 100 CE. 4Q 372, fragments with Yahusha or Yeshua, circa 100 to 50 BCE, interpretation debated. Scholarly resources: The Dead Sea Scrolls, a new translation by Michael Weiss and Martin Abig and Edward Koch, 2005. The Complete Dead Sea Scroll in English by Giza Vermes, 2011. Dead Sea Scroll Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek text by Emmanuel Tob, 2006. Online archive, Dead Sea Scroll Digital Library, dsd.live.israel. Sila!